In this episode of Made In, we get to take a tour of Empire Cat in Mesa, Arizona, to learn how they operate in sales, rental, rebuild, and servicing of heavy equipment.
So Empire is a third-generation family-owned company, and we are a Caterpillar dealer distributing parts, service, and sales. So we sell machines, as you can see behind us. We have our truck back there, but we also do much more than that. We rebuild trucks, we service them, and we sell parts all throughout the state of Arizona. So we want to take you on a tour and show you more about what we do and how we do it. Welcome to our Component Rebuild Center. So this is an area of our company where technicians are working, and we have pulled out components that have been in our machines, and we are now tearing them apart and cleaning them and putting new parts in and putting them back together. We had our technicians pull this engine out in the fields, and we are now going to pull it apart and rebuild it. I want to show you the process of how we do that. We have our piston rods here, and they will review them to see if there's any scratches or any cracks in there, whether we need to replace it with new or keep the ones that they currently have. Currently about to remove the camshaft, and as you can see, it's very dirty, a lot of oil still left in it, and so we'll go in and inspect the bolt holes, we'll inspect everything all the way down to make sure it's working as good as new. And what I want to show you here is a finished product. As you can see, this engine has been fully put together, it's come together. The last thing that we need to do here is we need to put it on our dyno, and we need to make sure once it's been on our dyno and it's been approved, we'll put it in the paint booth. So I want to take you to our dyno and show you what we're doing there. We're in our dyno area. And so the dyno here, we have these computer systems that allow us to replicate what it's like, the engine within a machine. And so we do a full 8-hour cycle in our dyno to make sure that we put together correctly. So they're just now hooking it up right now to make sure that this engine can run for the next 8 hours. So it'll run a full shift. Once it's done in here, then we go over to the paint booth and we get them painted. Once it's painted, we ship it off to the client.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Made In. If so, why not hit the subscribe button, head over to edgefactor.com, create a free account. There are many more videos like this.